Guys, hello guys, welcome back to HabibKhawaja.TheExplorer. Today is the day to unbox my new coffee machine, Philips new coffee machine guys. Yes, of course, that coffee machine really makes very nice and fantastic cup of coffee guys. And I'm going to show you today, and I need to take a sip of tea. Oh, forget about the tea guys, forget about the tea. I'm going to take you to somewhere so that I could be able to unbox my coffee machine, and it's going to be happen soon guys, trust me, right? Welcome back to Habib Khwaja the Explorer guys. Yes, your own YouTube channel guys. Today I'm going to unbox my new coffee machine named Philips Saeco coffee machine that makes perfect cup of coffee guys, trust me, right? So stay with me and don't go away to anywhere, right? So we are going to unbox the new coffee machine together guys, right? Here we go. Right guys, so I'm gonna open this box and gonna bring out the fun. I'm gonna bring out the coffee machine for you guys, right? So here we go. Let me open the seal of the box first. And I have bought this coffee machine, Philips Saeco coffee machine, Poemia. Is one of the nice machines around with an inbuilt milk frother in this machine guys, right? So are you ready? Really? Okay, here we go then. Let me open this machine guys. Are you with me guys? Right. Slowly but surely I'm going to open the box for you guys, right? Would be good if I'm going to show you something like this, right? Just have a look inside guys. आप देख सकते हैं कि अंदर कॉफ़ी मशीन है और ये कवर्ड है। अभी तक मैंने खोली नहीं है, मेरे पास ये पड़ी हुई थी कुछ अरसे से, लेकिन मैं चाह रहा था कि आप लोगों को दिखा के खोली जाए, ठीक है? तो जैसा कि आप लोग देख सकते हैं कि कॉफ़ी मशीन जो है अच्छी तरीके से रैप्ड है और अभी इसको बाहर निकाला जाता है, ठीक है जी? आपके लिए मैं इसको बाहर निकाल रहा हूँ और बिस्मिल्लाह। Here we go. So we got some books inside. Owner manual, Philips Saeco coffee machines owner manual guys. Yeah. Other book. So these two books I've just found, right? ये बुक्स मुझे मिली हैं बॉक्स के अंदर से और इसमें तरीका बताया हुआ कि कैसे आपने कॉफ़ी बनानी है, किस तरह। The coffee machine in front of you, Saeco Poemia coffee machine. So let's see what's in there. I'm going to remove these little covers from the front side. So let's see what's in there. Right. So here's a frother, guys. Frother, milk frother. And what is this? Right. So this is Philips Saeco Poemia coffee machine. Right. So these are the functions here. So this is brand new, guys. Brand new, sealed, and so this is brand new coffee machine, guys. And underneath you can see few things. This is a beautiful coffee machine, guys, trust me. Right, what is this? Let me check. All right, guys, so this is pressurized filter holder, guys. Yes, I'm gonna take it out. I'm gonna unwrap this for you guys just to show you what is this. Right, guys, so this is pressurized filter holder. Yes, all you need to do is you need to put some coffee in it, in there, and to fit it like this, right? And you could be able to use ground coffee measuring scoop as well. It's definitely here at somewhere. I'm going to show you. Right, guys, so here comes the power supply cable, and here comes the milk frother, guys. Right, here comes the milk frother, guys, so you can turn it on the right side, on the left side, depending upon the situation and the angle of the cup you want to froth the milk, right? So down there, this is a milk frother, and this is a pressurized filter holder, guys, right? You need to put coffee in there inside the pressurized filter holder. You need to put some coffee here inside this, and then you need to fit it like this, guys. You need to fit it like this. I need to hold it properly. I'll do it later. Anyways, I'll show you how to use this coffee machine, guys. But this is a nice, lovely coffee machine. Philips Saeco coffee machine, guys. Right? So you can also warm the cups, coffee cups, by putting them here upside, and this is called cup warmer area. Cup warmer area is this, right? And let me see furthermore. So this is a tray, dripping tray, guys. Right, so let me open the seal of this coffee machine from this side so that I could be able to show you what is in there. ये जी मैंने इसकी सील थोड़ी सी यहाँ से ओपन कर दी है और अनसील करने के बाद इसको दूसरी तरफ से भी अनसील कर लेते हैं. Right, guys, so this is cup warmer. You can leave the cup here at this surface. So this is coffee measuring scoop, and right, let me see what is this. This is pod filter adapter, right, guys? This is called pod filter adapter, right? And this is water jug. You need to take it out. You can have a look of this area as well, what is in there, right? And this is a water jug. And let me remove this piece of paper from the jug, and a few instructions. हदायत दी हुई हैं इसके ऊपर जी कि कैसे आपने करना है. इसमें 2 पिक्चर्स में बताया हुआ है इन्होंने. I'll leave it like this, and after that what you need to do is you need to cover this side. Right, guys? And I hope you like this coffee machine, guys. I'm sure you do like this. So, guys, you can have a look inside the machine. Okay, see you in my next video, guys. And in that video, I could be able to tell you how to make nice cup of coffee, guys, right? Nice cup of cappuccino, nice cup of latte, nice cup of flat white, and I'll also tell you how to make hot chocolate as well. And I'll tell you how to make nice cup of mocha, guys, right? So see you soon in my next video. So guys, see you soon in my next video. And in that video, I could be able to tell you how to make nice cup of coffee, nice cup of cappuccino, nice cup of latte, nice cup of flat white, and I'll also tell you how to make a perfect cup of mocha coffee, right, guys? So See you soon again, guys. Here we go.